Outfit check. Outfit check. Okay, so I have this green sweatshirt. I got it from my cousin named Kinley. And then I have these gray jeans. I also got them from my cousin Kinley. And then I have this short. I don't remember what it says. But I have the shirt. And I also got it from my cousin Kinley.